Well, I am excited to be talking to you about your subject, science. I hope that you will be having fun learning today with me. So come on now, let's go. Today's lesson, kids, is all about decaying kratom. Decaying kratom means these are the kind of kratoms that can decompose. They can be rotten. This activity or lesson is on page 31 of your science book. So here are some examples of decaying kratoms. The first one that we have, kids, is a kratom made of bread. This kratom here is made out of bread. Next, this one is made out of ice cream cones. Okay, so ice cream cones can also be made into a kratom. The third picture that we have is a kratom that is made of banana leaves. So all of these kratoms here can decay. They can decompose or they can be rotten. Okay, so for your activity, this is what you are going to do. You are going to draw lines. Okay, draw lines to connect the kratoms with the materials for making kratom. Remember, it is not only banana leaves and banana trunks that can be used in making a kratom. There are other materials like bread, ice cream cones, and even plastic. Okay, so the first kratom that we have is a kratom made of banana leaves and trunks. So we are going to draw lines to match it with the source of material. Okay, there you go. Just draw a line from this point going to this point. The next example of kratom that we have is a kratom made of bread. So which material here on this side is the one that is used in making the kratom made out of bread? Very good. It is, of course, this one, bread. That is why it is called a bread kratom, because it is made out of bread. Now just draw a line from this point going to this point. How about the third kratom? This one is a cone kratom, or a kratom made out of ice cream cones. Of course, the material that is used in making this kratom is this one, the ice cream cones. So all you have to do is draw a line. Okay? Draw a line from this point going to this point. And now for the last part of your activity, draw a circle around the decaying kratoms. Remember, when we say decaying kratoms, these are the kratoms that can decompose or can be rotten. So which of these are the kratoms that can decompose or can get rotten? First, we have banana leaves, bread kratom, ice cream cone kratom, and the foam kratom. What do you think, kids? Does the banana leaves kratom decompose or decay? Yes. Okay, very good. Yes, it can decompose. So you have to circle it. How about the bread kratom? Does it also decay or decompose? Good job, kids. Yes, it can decompose or can get rotten or it can decay. Again, put a circle. How about the ice cream cone kraton? Does it also decay? Yes. So you also have to put a circle. Only the foam kraton cannot decay or decompose. So that's all for this activity, and I hope you learned from them. This next activity, kids, is on page 32 of your science book. This is all about making kraton. So how do we make a kraton? You already have learned about the materials in making a kraton. So you have to have your banana trunks, banana leaves, flowers, and candles in order for you to be able to make a kraton. Again, kids, what are the materials that we need to prepare in making kraton? You have to have your banana trunks, banana leaves, flowers, and your candle. Now we are going to do the activity on page 32 of your book. So this is making kraton, or steps in making a kraton. It says here, write the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4 in the box for the steps of making kraton. So what do you think is the first step in making a kraton? The first step is you have to prepare the materials. And you already know the materials, right? So which of these 4 pictures should be in number 1? Okay, good job, kids. It is this picture. Prepare the materials. So you are going to write number 1 inside the box. How about the second step? Which of these 3 pictures left is the second step in making a kraton? Oop. Okay, it is this picture. After you have prepared the material, you can now start to assemble the base of your kraton. And for step number 3, you can now put the leaves, okay, around the base which you have prepared, okay, like this one. And for the 4th step, okay, it is this picture. You can now decorate your kraton with flowers and candles. And lastly, you are going to draw a circle around the banana leaf kraton. Which of these 3 is the banana leaf kraton? Kraton 1, kraton 2, or kraton 3? What is your answer? Good job, kids. The correct answer is kraton number 2. It is made of banana leaves. So there you go. You have to circle it. That's all, kids. And I'll see you again on our next lesson. Kids, I hope that you learned something from our discussions and our activities. I hope to be doing fun with you again next time. Bye-bye.